Ever wondered how much it truly costs to insure that sleek Tesla Model 3 you've been dreaming of? Let's break down the factors that will affect your State Farm insurance premium. Firstly, your age and driving record are huge. A clean driving history and being older can snag you lower rates. The second factor is your location, as insurance costs vary significantly by state and even by city. Then, consider your coverage options. The higher your liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage limits, the more you'll pay. Tesla's technology and repair costs are often higher. Components like advanced driver assistance systems contribute to this. Getting a quote from State Farm is the only way to find out your personalized cost. Head over to the State Farm website, look for the Get a Quote option, which is usually right on the front page. Input your personal information, which includes your name, address, and driver's license number. Select your coverage options. This is where you specify the amount of liability, collision, comprehensive, deductible, and other coverages you desire. Tesla Model 3 has several premium features, so ensuring a comprehensive coverage is very important. After a few minutes, you'll receive a personalized quote. The resulting amount will reflect the specific factors affecting your rates. Don't be afraid to play with the options. Adjusting coverage levels will reveal the price differences. This is how you accurately assess the cost of insuring your Tesla Model 3 with State Farm.